Hello everyone, I'm Ananya. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of Masala Babycorns which I made at home. It is a simple recipe and you can have it as a snack. If you try it at home, let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. You guys can also share what you like to have as a snack. If you find this video useful, like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. At first, wash the babycorns properly and cut them into small pieces. Now I am going to boil them for 10 minutes. Take a container, put the babycorns into it. Add sufficient amount of water. Add a little salt. And bring it to a boil. Now drain the babycorns completely. Now put the boiled babycorns into a mixing bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons of flour. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of rice flour. I've taken 1 teaspoon of salt, black pepper powder and chaat masala. I'm going to add them together. Add 2 tablespoons of kashmiri lal powder. Add a little water. And now I'm going to mix them properly. I'm going to use my hands to mix it. The mixture becomes really sticky. When the mixing is done, I'm going to start with the fry. Heat some oil in a pan and place them one by one in the oil carefully. Keep a little distance between them so that they don't stick to each other. Fry them on a medium heat till they turn crispy and reddish brown in color, and keep stirring occasionally so that they don't stick to each other or to the pan. I also tried to make crispy chili babycorn. In case you haven't watched the video, I have shared the link in the description box, so make sure you check it out. Now I'm going to add some parsley. You can use any seasoning you have at the moment. You can see they turned reddish brown and crispy, so I think they are ready. I think the babycorns are ready to serve. I'm going to place them on a kitchen paper to soak the excess oil. I'm going to add a little lemon juice before serving. I'm adding a little more seasoning. It took me 20 minutes to make it, but seconds to eat it. Do try it at home, it turned out really good, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and see you in my next video.